If I Could Give You Christmas, written by Lynn Plord. If I could give you Christmas, it would be pops of red on green, here, there, everywhere. If I could give you Christmas, it would sound like a chorus of chirping carolers. If I could give you Christmas, it would smell like warbs and whibs of gingerbread and cocoa. If I could give you Christmas, it would be stashing secret surprises. If I could give you Christmas, it would be gliding, snow white sliding. If I could give you Christmas, it would be wibbly wobbly skating on a pond. If I could give you Christmas, it would be greeting friendly faces in the doorway. If I could give you Christmas, it would be a snuggly story time under a giant night light. If I could give you Christmas, it would be staying up extra late on Christmas Eve. If I could give you Christmas, it would be that tickly tummy feeling early on Christmas morn. If you could give me Christmas, there's something you should know. My favorite gift at Christmas doesn't have a bow. The end.